my friends. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the importance of 200 moving average and CPR, central pivot point, as well as the R1 resistance and the ES1 support. These are the main important things in the intraday trading. Okay, I will show you a lot of stocks today. How it had fight near the CPR or R1 or S1. Okay. Before going into the video details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, in last video, that means in yesterday's video, top 5 components, okay, concepts which may help logically during the intraday. These are the things I have covered yesterday, and today totally the trade is related to the uh, trade is related to the 200 moving average and CPR S1 S2, and also one more parameter I always looks like fractals. These will form, okay, this will form dynamically. First time formation, okay, will not help. Next time after forming this fractals, when it comes for that level, it is going to act as a resistance. Okay, in case if the fractals breaks out, we can see the good movement, that is the trend continuation. We can expect a good move. Okay, this is how these things works. uh, 200 moving average always, when the price comes like this. Okay, yesterday also I discussed, this is going to act as a resistance. When the price comes like this, it is going to act as a support. Multiple times it will try to resist 2-3 times. Okay, later point of time, okay, it is going to break. Okay, this is how this 200 moving average behavior works in the 5-minute chart. Okay, let us take into the chart. This is the nifty chart. Let me take. Okay, this is the nifty chart. These are my watch list stock. Actually, I thought of buying this stock in the reversal here, the Castrol Industries. Okay, but I expected 199, but it didn't come actually. Okay, here the fractal was there, right? This is the fractal it had. So next time when it comes, right, this is the point where it is supposed to reversal. Okay, this is what the 200 moving average, the origination of the 200 moving average always have the good impact. Okay, this is what happened in the Castrol NTPC. These are my watch list stock. Okay, NTPC, it doesn't have the this is the CPR, right? Under the CPR, the first one is the S1. Okay, this is the R1. Similarly, R2. Okay, in the down we can see the S2. So S1 and along with the previous day close or something is there, S1 is going to act as a strong support. Once this breaks, then only we can see the trend. Until the time we cannot see the trend. Okay, and geofinance, see the geofinance, it had the, this is the CPR, central pivot point, which acted as a support or resistance, but it is not able to sustain. Okay, this is the failed case. Okay, if we see, this is another Hind Petro. This is also not acted here, right? The if we see, right, acted as a support. Next time when it comes, it got broken. Okay, since multiple times it is nullified the thing. That's what after that it is not supporting. Okay, this is also, if we see Bajaj Finance. Okay, in the Bajaj Finance, this is in the sideways market. Okay, it support resistance and support. It is in the sideways. And Reliance also in the sideways. Here the trap created. Okay, in this trap, right? Based on this trap, here definitely market will go up. I wanted to capture here. Okay, I attempted some small trade here and captured the Reliance 3275. Okay, this is the trap. After the trap, they won't allow come below down, right? Because here people are sold the put option. That is the reason market intend to go up only. The Reliance will not fall below this. Okay, because this is the wave started moving. It acted as a support. Here I captured this 3000 rupees. Okay, this is the energy. Okay, here the CPR is there. If we see here, this is the CPR. This is what I am saying. Okay, 200 moving average origination point CPR, right? First time, second time it attempted. Okay, it took the resistance as the resistance. Then since it is having the momentum, then again 200 moving average is a resisted lot. Together, this is the cluster. Together resisted lot, and finally it's allowed to go. Okay, here this is the R1. Okay, this is the S1. JSW energy. Okay, this is the CPR. Let's see, this is the CPR. It won't allow to go in the first or second time, two times. After that, if we see this HAL, right? Okay, this is the HAL. Okay, it's fallen. Origination is from the 200 moving average. It's fallen once again when it comes, right. It tried to resist, try to resist, try to resist. Okay, ITC. See, this is what Nifty 50 stocks, the strong standard stocks will support. This is the CPR and the 200 moving average clustered together. That's what it is. Okay, strong resistance. Infra, infra sector. Since I am trading on the Reliance, so infra is the important. Okay, this is the CPR. The price came like this. Yesterday also I showed you, right, how to trade the CPR. Okay, then again it came. This is the CPR acted as a resistance. The pharma sector, again the pharma sector had the move till this point. This acted as a resistance here, but later point of time it allowed to go up. If we see the Nifty, okay, this is what in the Nifty, right? I'm talking the fractals. Okay, this formed this fractals formed, right? Let me go. Let me take you this market to like this. Okay, if we see the fractal, I put like 20 25 is the settings. After forming the fractal, next time when it comes, right, we can attempt the trade for around 40 to 50 points trade there. So this made high. Okay, this is the CPR. Nearby CPR, the fractal also formed, going to form. See, now the fractal formed, right? Next time when it comes here, this is the, we have to mark here. Here we can see the retracement. Okay, this now is 200 moving average is a little above, around 200 points above is there. Okay, this acted as a CPR as well as the fractal. Next time when the market goes there, we can attempt the trade for the smaller profit. See how many times it resisted. How many times? One, two. Okay, it resisted long. Then it allowed after that 200 moving average as taken as a resistance. Okay, in the last minute it had the fall. Okay, IT index also it had the this is the CPR above the CPR. Okay, this is the S1. This is the R1. This is the S1, right? R1 and okay R1. This is acted as a resistance most of the time. Once the here also what is this RO pharma had this CPR as a resistance. Okay, from here to here. Okay, 1 or 2% will be there. In 2%, if we trade with the two lots, right, we will get around 10,000 rupees. Okay, this is Nifty Finance. Okay, Nifty Finance, and also why Nifty had long consolidation, because the Bank Nifty had the resistance at the 200 moving average. Multiple times it is upriding from the 200 moving average, and also HDFC Bank, which is this HDFC Bank also it had, see, this is where, okay, I felt like I could run the straddle between these. Okay, so I initiated the straddle for the HDFC Bank, but not capitalized properly. This is not at all moving properly. Then Infi, I attempted the Infi trade, even though it is moving the price up, but the put option is not falling. Okay, even though price is moving, the put option not at all falling. So I give up and I came out of the trade. Okay, last minute, since I had the 2000 profit and this take out my profit, I wanted to make something out of this. So one scalping I attempted, one scalping trade I attempted on the Nifty. Okay, here this is the scalping I attempted for the Nifty. Okay, just 4 5 points I wanted to capture for the DMart. 4 5 points, 120 and 116, because if I am not recovering my loss, right, the charges also going to be very burden. Today I had so many trades. I had the charges of more than 1,000 rupees. This charges I wanted to recover. For that, once again I attempted in the DMart, but it is I couldn't able to capitalize it. Okay, it moved as per my direction, but exit was not a right exit. Okay, so all these things, right, the 200 moving average. Okay, near 200 moving average, small trades we can, in the beginning we can initiate the small trades. Within this, right, we can get 4 5 rupees. Okay, and also this DMart came out from the bearish territory. Okay, if you see the DMart, right, okay, nicely the structure is nicely formed. Okay, we can, now it is actually long. We can enter the trade here. Some gap is there. Okay, once this gap crosses, we can go till this point, till previous high, whatever the previous high, till this point we can go. Okay, around 6,000, around 6,000 we can bet on this DMart. Okay, Adani Green is my watch list stock. Okay, no activity in this. These are the trades I thought of attempting. I attempted in the Nifty Infi, but this is not worked out. So today what I am trying to tell you is, finally, okay, 200 moving average, CPR, okay, R1, S1, along with the fractals, wherever, if the fractals forms here, the fractals forms here are 200 moving average with the previous day close or previous day low or previous day high. Okay, these are the things With this we can trade, right? We will be having the good edge. Okay, this is how I use the intraday setups. Okay, thank you so much. Going forward, whenever I get the trades, I'm going to discuss more details about these indicators whatever I discussed here. Many people asked me, whatever the indicators flatted on your chart, please explain those things. So same thing I was doing nowadays. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe for my channel, and also press the like button, share with your friends as well. Thank you so much.